inflatable sleeping pads. I've always had the solid foam ones. I don't like the way the inflatable ones feel. They sort of wobble around as you're on them. However, we are now getting towards winter slowly, and the warmth from a traditional foam sleeping pad is not going to be enough, and so I do need something inflatable. So to that end, I have purchased the Exped Dura 5R, which we will now unbox and have a look at. Right, so this is either my wife's new knickers or my Exped Dura 5R sleeping mat. Let's have a look. There we go. It's okay, first impression, it's quite heavy, to be honest with you, but it's a bit smaller than I thought, so it's not going to be the burden that I thought it was. Very nice bag. Let's get this open and have a look at it. Okay. It's in there quite firmly. So you get this amazing big yellow pump sack, and in there is a little repair kit as well. Okay, so the bag is different material to the actual airbed, which feels very thick. It feels very thick, very heavy, very solid, which is exactly what I wanted. Okay, interestingly, the pump sack also doubles as a dry bag for when you're camping. So I'm going to put things like the drone and stuff in here. So I've got it a little bit wet, but this is the Dura sleep system, which stands for durable. So that's a bit heavier, it's less likely to puncture, and is more suitable for expeditions. Comes up nicely. Well, I think we're nearly there. There we are. And we just literally detach it. If you want to let a little bit out, you've got a green toggle there you can put in. Any excuse to get the tent out and try it. Well, it seems to fit. Maybe I could have actually got the larger one. Still damp from the table. Okay. I got this Dura one because I'm quite a heavy bloke. I move around a lot in sleep as well, so I'm hoping this is the one for me. First thoughts, it's very comfy. It feels very warm. It's a warm day, so this is not the environment that I would be using it in. But yeah, very comfortable. Naturally, I also have a foil mat underneath. So this has an R value of 5. What's it say that? There we are. It's a medium size, R value of 5. So this is kind of a 3.5 season sleeping mat. I think in the UK this is probably 4 seasons. I think you could go down to about -6 using this. But yeah, so far so good. So I'm hopefully going to be using it in Dartmoor soon, and so we will see how it fares then. The repair kit is effectively patches, glue and instructions. If you're looking to pick one of these up for yourself, they are about £110, which I think is very good value when you compare it to some of the competitors, but again, we'll have to see how it fares first. Anyway, that's that for now, and I'll let you know how I get on with it. You are going nowhere near it, Missy.